Hey everybody, Nature Walks with On here, feeding my new fish in a 3-gallon tank I got in my bedroom. I just acclimated and put them all in here and fed them. And I got them a little snail and algae eater. This is a zebra swordtail. I got 2 of those. And a little blue swordtail guppy, that's him you're seeing there. And they're all little babies, so they'll probably get bigger. I have a neon tetra somewhere in here. I think that one's supposed to be it. Well, I don't think they had them. I forgot the name of it, but he's a neon tetra. Little neon tetra, you know how much color. All my algae eaters swimming around. There he goes, a little algae eater. Might get another lamp that might bring out their color a little bit more when I get the money. The snail isn't quite attached yet. It's over on the side, but usually they'll start traveling around the tank. And I really love my guppy. He's so pretty with the blue tail. Look at him. It's my favorite. And then 2 swordtails. They're pretty too. There's a pretty swordtail. They got pretty long tails, zebra stripes. My little algae eater, he kind of looks like a little puffer fish zooming around in there, so he's cute too. And it seems like they love it in there. Nibbling away at their own food. So I got algae eater, 1 algae eater, 1 sword tail guppy, and 2 zebra tail. Neons, I think they're called. They're all swimming around, little tiny fish. I hope you all enjoy. I love you guys out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you. I hope you enjoy. Love you out there. I'll probably do another update on them on tomorrow. We'll see how they do. Yeah. My little guppy is my favorite.